Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. You need to scroll down and we have few options how to check it. We can go to About Earphones at the bottom. Check it right here. We have firmware version. Firmware version is the same as software, so this is the first option. The second one is to check it right here. We have update firmware, and near to it we have current version, so you can also check it here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.